Hey guys, in the fast lane here. I'm going to show you how you can get your seatbelt untwisted in a few simple steps. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull this down. You see where the button is, where it stops it? Pull it all the way down and get it to lock in. There we go. We got it locked. Now you're going to twist the seatbelt like this. Get it real tight in the corner. And you're going to slowly pull down. And there we go. Now all you're going to do is just keep pulling it down until it flips around the other way. Now I don't want to flip this one around because it's already done the correct way. So I'm going to pull it out, but this is the step that it would take on your belt if it was flipped. So here we go. And there you have it. Right back to the proper way. If you find that your seatbelt's really stiff, you can dunk it in a bowl of hot water and let it soak for a little bit. Eventually it'll loosen up the seatbelt fibers. Then you'll be able to twist it, slide it through the belt buckle, and it'll be good to go. Over time, these seatbelts harden up with debris and stuff. If you look right here, you can see the debris from just using it a lot. The sun bakes it on and it gets real hard.